now I'm going to show you, now that you have your PDF, it's saved to your computer, and you've opened it up, I'm going to show you a great new feature of how we've designed our patterns. We've created them now to be in layers so that you have this great functionality of only looking at the specific size that you want to print instead of all of the sizes, and that'll help when you print. It'll help with assembly. It just really streamlines things. And so we're excited to offer that from this PDF, Parker's Pants forward, is how we'll be offering these patterns. So when you're in your PDF, you'll open it up, and as you look over to the left side, you'll see this little symbol, the layer symbol, and you click on that. There's that bar there that's a gray arrow. I'm clicking on that just to show you if you don't see your layers. You click on this arrow below it for the Parker's Pants, and you see there's the first one says leave on. That is a layer that you must leave on because it's got some specific information that no matter what size you're printing, you need to have it on. I'm going to actually come over here and click it off to show you. You see how that number 13 went away? So your page numbers go away, your borders go away, so just leave that on. But we're going to make a size 3. So as you can see, I'm clicking the eyeball next to all the sizes that are not size 3. And as you can see, voila, they are disappearing. Down here on the ruffle, make sure you choose the correct which ruffle that is. And you see that now visibly only size 3 is showing.